Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of DJI Avata 2 user interface walkthrough basically. So whatever we see on screen, I'll be demonstrating you each and every feature of it. So it'll be very easy for you to use the drone. So let's get started. To get the menu options, you need to press that orange button on your remote. Once you click on it, your drone becomes stable. It will not move until you once again press that orange button. So on top, you can toggle the menu. You have record option, enhancement option, head tracking option, and then you have a live stream option also. Then easy acro mode, you can move your drone quickly fast, and for your goggles you have a defog option also. If a lot of fog is coming, then you can increase or decrease brightness of your goggles also through these menus. On right side you can see there is no SD card and limit is 15 minutes. It's an internal storage. And on bottom right side you'll be able to see other information like signals, battery of your goggles, percentage of battery, drone battery basically. On left side you'll be able to see this N means is a normal speed, as whenever here is S, it means a faster speed, sports mode. You can see height and distance also there. And then if you enable once again your orange button, then you can use that gimbal thing also. So on the left side you'll be able to see status options. You'll be able to see transmissions, settings, and inside the setting safety you can select your height also. Yeah, these are the only options you can select here. Like height, max distance. With these values you can definitely play around. And to scroll these main options, you have scroll option also, or else you just need to push your remote towards down direction. On setting you have other options like control, camera, camera quality, aspect ratio. All these things are controllable from setting. Okay, so inside setting you will be able to find out everything. And I really like the ultra wide mode. It's really awesome. Then you have the storage option. Then inside the more you have actually nothing, but yeah, inside setting there is still a lot of options like display. You can select the brightness. You can you do a lot of things. You just play around with these values, and in more you have like this wireless streaming option. That's it. So this is the user interface for this drone application. So these are the options you will be mostly seeing in your goggles. Okay, so I hope now everything is clear, you have idea about all the options. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Now you can see there is S because I shifted to sports mode.